Hey guys, just going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of this new Logitech headset. So go ahead and get started. Got it part of the Amazon Vine program. The Logitech G Pro X Gaming with blue microphone. Now I'm interested to see how the blue microphone really, the quality is, because a lot of podcasters and they're kind of a staple for good quality what's it called, microphones. Right, that going. These circle stickers are going to be the death of me. Pretty brutal, upside down. All right, so they say that this part here is the dedicated sound card, right built in here. Which is kind of awesome. So it can do a bunch of equalizer stuff or deep bass or, giant sock. All right, wow. The muffs on them compared to my Bose 35-2s, these are much bigger. So you got your left in there, your right, really easy to see. It's beautiful, shiny, kind of that scratchy, sound making stuff. No, it didn't scratch it. Cord there, kind of interesting, is not built into the hinge, so you do actually see a cord. So potentially, if that gets clipped, you're kind of hosed, right? Then you have some basic connectors down there. Probably connect the microphone if you want it, or connecting with the proprietary back to the laptop or desktop. So I'm gonna just try them on quick off camera to see how comfortable they are. Really comfortable, really cushy. This part obviously pulls out from here. It's funny that just pulling it out seems to scratch it. I assume over time. Pretty. Damn, eh? That's a shame. So this part's really comfortable. These are great. They look awesome from the side. This is like a very hard plastic. And this is really, really comfortable. This is really comfortable as well. The top has padding in it, but it's that hard plastic, kind of that same material inside here. So let's see what else we got. Different muffs. I'm not sure if these are replacements or extensions, but that's good. I haven't seen any, a lot of companies come with an extra set of those. So this is, I guess, their bag. They have the microphone. Let's take that out real quick. Put that in. So it's not dual-sided, so you kind of have to put it in the one side. So if that's like that. Right. That looks pretty cool. Nice, posable. It's like those cables that you can get for your phone that's like posable, reposable, like in your car, and they don't kind of sag down. That's good. What else we got? It's like a little treat bag. Oh, great. So the actual cord, which I don't see a lot of companies doing either, is braided right away. So you don't have to wait to buy a third party to get that really nice braided cord. So you have a microphone on off. So obviously that would be off. this is a clip and the different ends. So you can tell the different bands. And then you have another cord here, which this just has an on off. So I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm sure when I get them on, it'll make a lot of sense. Anything else? Instructions, and that's kind of it. So I'm gonna try these out, spend a whole day with them, using them for work and gaming, and then I'll pick it up in the next video. So I've been using these now for a day at work and listening to music and taking work calls on Microsoft Teams. And at first I had one of my colleagues say, hey, it really sounds really bad. Just personally message me or whatever. At that point I was almost gonna, not use them anymore, right? But I installed the software and the driver, and I guess it doesn't even come with anything that says, install the software, but I guess if you're getting a gaming headset like this, they probably assume that you should probably Google and download the software, right? Maybe, maybe not. So after the software was installed and I went into the settings, turned on the blue microphone, kind of tested the microphone, getting it like perfect. It now sounds better than any other thing headset I've owned. So a couple of different MPOW ones, some USB direct ones, Plantronics. It is great. It is definitely the best microphone I've ever used in a headset because of the blue technology. And so what I can say about the muffs themselves is they are pretty tight. My ears do get that hot feeling, so I can't wear them all day. They come with some extra pads, which can help with that. But comparing to my Bose 35s, the Quiet Comfort, I found the Bose less constrictive. Like these press pretty hard on your head, like as opposed to the Bose ones where if you left them out, maybe they go like that, right? So maybe over a while that spring will get kind of more like that, but it does take some getting used to, kind of like if you haven't ridden a specific bicycle for a while, it kind of hurts for a while until you kind of build up a callus if you're wearing them, right, or get used to them. But I will say these are going to be my new primary headphones. I do like how it's got all sorts of different configs, all sorts of different cables. They gave you one that can go right into the headphone and one into the microphone with the 3.5, or you can just do USB with the sound card. But I am enjoying them. The one thing I would have liked to see is some passive sound pass through on the calls because of the noise canceling, sort of the passive noise canceling. You can't really hear yourself talk when you're on a call, so you kind of have to put one ear on, one ear off. Other than that, they're fantastic for the price. Definitely going to be my primary headset. Super awesome.